Good morning, Morgan. Excuse me, I've been sick. And good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for this video, which is the last one in our series on beautiful soup. After this, we're going to focus on finishing up this CSV series, and then we're going to move on to Django. Okay? But for now, let's just get this reading done. It's not much of it, and then we're done. All right. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and get started.
Miscellaneous. Tag.string now operates recursively. If tag A contains a single tag B and nothing else, then A.string is the same as B.string. Previously, it was none. Multi-valued attributes, like class, have lists of strings as their values, not strings. This may affect the way you search by CSS class. If you pass one of the find asterisk methods both string and a tag-specific argument like name, Beautiful Soup will search for tags that match your tag-specific criteria and whose tag.string matches your value for string. It will not find the strings themselves. Previously, Beautiful Soup ignored the tag-specific arguments and looked for strings. The Beautiful Soup constructor no longer recognizes the markup massage argument. It's now the parser's responsibility to handle markup correctly. The rarely used alternate parser classes like I Can't Believe It's Beautiful Soup and Beautiful Soap have been removed. It's now the parser's decision how to handle ambiguous markup. The prettify method now returns a Unicode string, not a byte string.
All right. Excuse me. I've been sick for like a week. Anyway, that's it. We're done. Now we can move on to something else, and we will. And with that, we're done, and we'll see you in the next video. Hasta la vista. All right.